I'm on a little walk today and I've just found this very pretty snail. There's a squirrel. Oh, it's got something in its mouth. Hi! I don't want your food, don't attack me, thanks. Woo! I'm getting a nice taste of the warm weather here for the year. The maximum for today is 28 degrees Celsius and it's beautiful. I'm taking a walk in Gatineau today along the Ottawa River and I'm happy I finally get to wear some summery clothes. This is Mackenzie King Estate. It has imported ruins, as you can see here, and a waterfall. And today I took a walk through a very lush area to find the classic Quebecois covered bridges. Alright, so I just finished a lovely dinner at Owok in the Mont Tremblant pedestrian village. I'm here just for the night with some family and it's really nice here. This is the morning in the pedestrian village of Mont Tremblant. It's definitely not as lively as last night.